Hi, my name is Dimitri Malik, and my position here at 27 North is quality control. And I want to show you guys how to turn off all the power, and the only thing that's going to be working is the solar panels. We have one master switch right up in the shoebox, and what you want to do is go under and turn it off. What you want to do next is find the second master switch for the inverter under the seat and turn it off. And the second switch is located on the passenger side on this seat. There's usually cushions over here which we took off to make this video. And then what you want to do is open the seat and you will see the master switch right there. And what you want to do is turn it off. You guys can be rest assured that whenever you are sleeping at night, all the power is completely off and the solar panels are going to be charging all night. What you want to check is make sure these switches are on. This will be the off position for the solar panels. And if you want them to charge, you have to make sure these pins are pushed in and the solar panels will be charging. My name is Dimitri Malik, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please make sure to comment below and we will make sure to get back to you guys as soon as possible.